Hey guys, so today we are going to be learn how to repost the video on the Instagram. So it's very easy. First open your Instagram account, then go to any video who you like to repost. You can see the three dots here, tap on that and share it to the repost video. It's an application that you can find on Play Store. After sharing, you can see it's automatically loaded here. Now you can tap on the repost button and here you can choose where you want to set this repost logo, and you can change the color of it too. After doing it, you can share it from the top. Share it to the feed. As the videos are now can be shared only as reels, so you can share it as a reel. So for caption, you can copy the caption of the post that is already copied to your clipboard, or you can write your own comments too. So here it is guys, thanks for watching, hope you like it.